Unbolt steel shipping frame and remove it from installation area. Be careful, as items may become loosened and fallen, causing personal harm or injury. Carefully remove bubble wrap packing materials from the lift and clear installation area. Take out uprights and display them on the open space ground. There are 2 swing arms, 1 accessory box, 2 long foot guards, 2 short foot guards inside the power unit column, and 2 swing arms, 4 electric covers, 1 control box, 2 protection plates, 4 lifting rubber pads inside offside column. They're all accessories in the accessory box. Here we are installing the uprights. Use 32 pieces D12 big flat washers, 16 pieces M12x40 hex bolts, 16 pieces D12 spring washers, 16 pieces M12 hex nuts. Assemble them to proper place and tighten all nuts. Pull out the inner part of cross beam. Make sure holes matched. Use 6 pieces M12x35 hex bolts, 12 pieces D12 flat washers, 6 pieces D12 spring washers, 6 pieces M12 hex nuts. Install the high limit lever. Use 3 pieces M12x25 hex bolts, 6 pieces D12 flat washers, 3 pieces D12 flat washers, 3 pieces M12 hex nuts. To assemble the lever brackets, fix high limit lever with 1 piece inner hex screw, MA×35, 1 piece MA hex nut, 1 piece hex washer, open switch box, hook up wire from power supply to here. Fix this switch with screws inside the switch box. Adjust to the position as video shows. Measuring distance according to ground condition in manual. Make sure there is at least 3.5 meters from any wall. You can find this point in manual. Move columns to a designated area. Carefully raise each column. According to the ground condition in manual, verify the overall width and distance between columns. Move columns to accurate location. Here, we are going to install a control box. First, unscrew the plastic screw. Use those screws in control box to mount on the column. Please pay more attention to any safety issues when you're going to install the overhead beam. Use 8 pieces M12x35 hex bolts, 16 pieces D12 flat washers, 8 pieces D12 spring washers, 8 pieces M12 hex nuts. Tighten all nuts. Loop steel cables and hydraulic hoses. Tighten cable nuts. Be sure to keep cable same tension. When connecting long hydraulic hose, pay attention to tighten fitting with hand first. Use wrench, tighten later. Here, we install 4 traction electromagnet. Tighten them with hand. Next step, we are going to install 4 safeties and 4 baffled plates. Pay attention, the front and rear side. All should be installed in correct direction. Use 4 pieces M6x16 inner hex screw, 8 pieces D6 flat washers. Raise carriage up to first locking position. Tighten cables. Disassemble locking device before installing arms. Put swing arms at proper position. Insert spindle. Use 8 pieces M10x30 inner hex tighten screw to fix spindle on the arm. Twist the screw to the inside. Make sure the screw must not be protruded. After that, reassemble the arm locking according to sequence video shows before. Installing the cradle. First, put adapter under cradle and put cradle onto swing arm. Install long foot guards and short foot guards with 8 pieces M10 12 cross screw, 8 pieces D10 flat washer. Hook up the traction electromagnet. Use 8 pieces D6 flat washer and 8 pieces M6 x 16 cross screw to mount plastic covers. Use 8 pieces M8 x 12 cross screws, 8 pieces flat washers to install adapter bracket. Now, it's time to fix columns to the ground. First, drill each anchor hole in the concrete using a rotary hammer drill. Tap anchoring bolts into each hole with a hammer. And make sure anchoring bolt can be expanded inside floor. Tighten nuts with impact wrench. Open the carton box. Attach the power unit to the power side column using 4 pieces M8 x 25 hex bolt, 4 pieces D8 spring washers. Tighten all nuts. Connect the short hose to power unit with 1-piece hydraulic fitting, 1-piece angle outer fitting. First, tighten the fitting with hand and later use wrench. Assemble baffle plate to proper position. Fill the reservoir with 8 to 10 liter AW46 hydraulic oil. Next, we will debug lift with loading. Drive a car on the lifting area. Find the proper lifting points underneath the car and make sure lifting pads are in correct lifting positions. Press and hold up button until lift is raised to 30 centimeters from ground. Check the lifting pads to contact the designated points under the car chassis. Hold down both front and rear sides to make sure the car has been parked at correct position. Raise lift to top height. Press LK button to make carriages locked. Press DW. Lift will automatically go up a little. To allow adequate clearance for safety release from locking position, and carriages will go down the bottom height. Move swing arms away from vehicle chassis. Drive the car away from lifting area. Till now, all include installation and debugging are completed.